There is a reason some students remember everything they study and others forget it by the next day. It's not about who's smarter. There are no hacks or supplements. It all comes from simple, practical habits to train your brain to think better and remember longer. And the good part is anyone can build them if you know where to start. Let's start with something simple but very powerful, explaining things out loud. You don't have to actually teach anyone. Just pretend you're teaching when you're explaining topics out loud, even to your cat or yourself. Your brain has to organize the information and rebuild them from the ground up. That's when you realize what you truly understand and what still needs work. So after revising a topic, try this. Close your notes and explain it as if you're helping a friend who missed the class. If you get stuck halfway, that's not failure, that's feedback. It's your brain showing you exactly what needs a second look. And when you explain something, you're using the verbal side of your brain. But to make it stick even more, bring the visual side as well. Psychologists call this dual coding, combining both words and visuals to strengthen memory. For example, sketch and label the stages of an enzyme reaction. It doesn't have to be perfect. Even a quick stick figure make ideas easier for your brain to recall later. Now, even with the best studying methods, none of it works if your focus keeps breaking, and that's where multitasking becomes the real problem. Every time you switch between apps, subjects, or tabs, it takes few minutes for your brain to refocus, and that adds up to hours of wasted effort. Instead, work in focus sprints, 25 minutes, one task, one goal in full attention. Then take a short break before moving to the next thing. Those short breaks work even better when you add movement. It gives your brain full reset, both mentally and physically. Get up, stretch, take a short walk. Physical movement boosts blood flow and helps you make new connections between ideas. You will be surprised how often new ideas click while you're walking around, not staring at your notes. Finally, let me share one small tip that sounds odd but genuinely works. Chewing gum. It slightly increases blood flow to the brain and helps you stay alert. If you're about to start a long exam or an intense study session, a few minutes of sugar-free gum can help you stay focused and calm. So this week, try one small change. Explain what you learn out loud. Sketch what you can picture. Stay focused on one thing at a time, and when you pause, move. Because real learning doesn't happen by chance, it happens by training your brain, one small habit at a time.